I hope in my previous video you have watched about the concept and the origin of sociology. Let's discuss today about the concept of sociology of education. In the field of sociology of education, Emile Durkheim has played a very important role in starting this concept of sociology of education. Emile Durkheim, who is the first French academic sociologist, who is widely known as also the founding father of modern sociology, has attempted to define the subject matter and establishment of sociology as a separate discipline studying the society. He had a more lasting impact even than Auguste Comte, who is the founding father of the sociology. This is well understood by the term quoted by educationist Vinet, who has made an interesting observation about Emile Durkheim and commented that Comte laid the foundation of sociology, but it is the Durkheim who cemented it. So Durkheim is the founding father of our modern sociology, which is also regarded as the pioneer for the term sociology of education. Then we have meaning and sociology of education. As the name concerned, it is described with the help of two words, sociology and education. First of all, as you all well known to these two terms, but even then we will try to define it once again, that what sociology and education describes. According to P.C. Banerjee, education is the development of the power of adaptation to an ever-changing social environment. Education एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो कि एज एन इंडिविजुअल हमें बहुत जल्दी और बहुत एम्पावरमेंट के साथ हमें एनवायरनमेंट को अडॉप्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. Mahatma Gandhi ji desired that education helps us to realize the power of truth, beauty and goodness. Education जो है वो हमें एस्थेटिक वैल्यूज डेवलप करने में हेल्प करता है, जो कि एक सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है. बिकॉज इफ़ all the individuals, all the members of the society have aesthetic values, if they have the moral values, they can adopt the things, the changing environment with wisely. So then the society becomes a good society with the citizens, with the members of valuable thoughts and thinkings, their deeds. All these develop with the help of the education. So education and sociology, when they join together, they form a new discipline known as educational sociology or the sociology of education, so as to utilize in the man-making processes that all has been learned in both the fields. We just have in our previous slide learned that education has played a very important role in the overall development of the individuals in order to inculcate among the individuals all the aesthetic values, moral values, to adopt the environment wisely, etc. So education and sociology, when both combine together, they help the society to become a good society. I just mean to say that whatever things have learned in the field of education, they all have been utilized in the society by the members of the that particular community or society to become the society as a good society. And no doubt, as we have already studied in our previous video, that sociology is what? Sociology is the science of society, social institutions, and man's relationships with these institutions. So when these both combine together, they utilize all that knowledge to be good in the society for the process of human development. Emile Durkheim, who was the pioneer who started the systematic study of sociology of education. The whole credit goes to Emile Durkheim, who has given us the concept of the sociology of education. And what are the thoughts according to him? To Durkheim, sociology is the study of the social facts. Social facts mean all the aspects of the social life that have distinctive social characteristics and determinants. So Durkheim defined it as the study of the social facts. These are the social facts which Durkheim has studied in the sociology of education. He defined social facts as every way of acting, fixed or not, capable of exercising on the individual an external constraint. They include such things as folkways, customs, laws, and the general rules of behavior that people accept without questions. So this very field of sociology of education primarily focuses on how the public sector and individual experiences affect the improvement and continuing of the field of education. This sociology of education primarily focuses on the improvements and other factors in the field of education. It studies all the important factors which comprises in the field of education. It views education as an important factor, and also it's an attempt for the betterment through efforts, aspirations, and progress. In order to understand it more clearly, that what is the sociology of education, it is the scientific study between education and society. That means this sociology of education, according to Ottaway, is the scientific study between education and society. So this sociology of education is very important for the studying of the relationship between education and society. One more definition I would like to convey to you, that Alvin Good has the opinion that sociology of education is the study of education which is obtained by man in social groups, and the education that is needed by the members to live efficiently in the social groups. That means the sociology of education enables the human beings to be in the social groups, and also helps him to become a very efficient member of the society within that social group. I hope you all will be able to recall and understand now the concept of sociology of education. Thank you. Thank you so much.